Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for you, the best StealthFlow Downspout available, the Amerimax Downspout Extension Kit with adjustable elbow in sleek black. This downspout extension kit is a game-changer when it comes to diverting rainwater away from your foundation. Let's dive into why it's a must-have for any homeowner. First off, let's talk flexibility. With extension lengths of 15 and 24 inches, you have the freedom to route water around landscaping or tricky corners with ease. No more water pooling around your home. And check out this adjustable elbow. It's a genius addition. You can easily customize the angle from 45 to 90 degrees, ensuring water flows exactly where you need it to. Say goodbye to those pesky water puddles. Now, here's the best part, installation is a breeze. No digging required. Simply snap the pieces together, and you're good to go. Plus, the durable PVC construction means it can withstand whatever the elements throw its way. And let's talk aesthetics. The low-profile design of this downspout extension means it can easily be concealed with mulch or straw, giving your landscaping a polished look while keeping your foundation safe. Now, you might be wondering about the price. At just $24.09, it's a steal. You're saving $5.01 off the bundle list price, and trust me, the peace of mind knowing your foundation is protected is priceless. So, there you have it, folks. The Amerimax Downspout Extension Kit with adjustable elbow is the ultimate solution for rainwater management. Don't let water damage rain on your parade. Grab yours today and keep your home safe and dry. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy shopping. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews from Product Critique.